videos, you know, I vaulted over the fence, so you know.
And if you watch my videos, you know he accidentally failed the fence.
Of course, this one has just like less spiders. Yeah. So this will be fun. Oh, it's fine. Look, here's another way. You can kind of squeeze through this.
Oh god.
You squeeze through.
It can put one arm through.
I can fit my leg in. I think I'm actually going through.
No, you're not. You're stuck.
Okay, I'm stuck. This is, oh, my knee. No, I feel like I can get my knee.
Oh my god.
I think this is actually stuck.
Should we call the police?
We don't need to call the police. I am strong enough to bend metal.
Well,
If you watch my
I don't like the police, so.
Okay, I need you to grab me. Right. Okay. Oh god, this is hurting. It's hurting. It's hurting. Stop,
Jesus.
please, stop. Okay. I'm gonna do it.
The only real
This is how you're
thing.
gonna do it. I'm gonna show you how you do it.
Tough Beifeng style.
Okay. This is what I
Bend
learned
metal.
in ancient China, even though I'm Vietnamese.
Okay.
I'm done. You can never enter the train. It's impenetrable. See you later.
F you, train.